Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I want to show you how to add remove magnification to your OPPO Reno12 FS. To do it, open Settings application where we scroll down and look for our accessibility selection. To find it, tap Additional Settings and there Accessibility. Now we choose Vision, where we have our magnification, which we must turn on it by tap there and switch on. Confirm by OK, and we have our shortcut. To zoom our screen, tap on our shortcut and tap on screen. You can change position of your zoom using two fingers and swiping on the screen. You can also zoom on or zoom out, or you can turn off your magnification by tap on shortcut again. And that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.